This is my super creamy homemade Nutella ice cream without a gram of added sugar. Let me show you how easy it is to make it. To 50 grams of xylitol, I'm adding 0.2 grams of xanthan gum and 0.8 grams of guar gum. Mix well and then add 50 grams of skim milk powder. It's very important to mix the dry ingredients together. And here I have 100 grams of pure hazelnut paste that I'm adding to 300 grams of milk. Gently warm the mixture to 40 degrees Celsius and add the dry ingredients. Whisk constantly until the mixture reaches 80 degrees Celsius. At this point, cut the heat and remove the pot from the stove. Pour the hot hazelnut cream over 200 grams of chocolate. Let it sit for 2 minutes and then blend the mixture until it's smooth. With the blender running on high speed, pour in 300 grams of very cold whipping cream and continue blending like this for another 2 minutes. Cover the Nutella ice cream base with plastic wrap directly on the surface and let it rest in the fridge for 8 hours. And after the time has passed, you can peel off the plastic and then blend it again for another 2 minutes. Then pour the cream into your ice cream maker and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Mine takes about 30 minutes for this recipe. And this is how gorgeous your ice cream will be. Level it with a soft silicone spatula, cover it, and then let it freeze for 6 hours. Before you scoop it out, let it rest on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes to soften up a bit. This is a super creamy, incredibly luxurious ice cream, and I do hope you're gonna make it yourselves. I like to serve it with some chopped hazelnuts and chocolate on top. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below how it turns out for you. See you next time, dessert lovers!